Hello everyone, this is how we're gonna use the wash machine. First of all, turn it up and you're gonna hear that sound. Here you can see the different type of clothes you can wash and the settings that it has preload. So you're gonna choose this one, like cotton. Then here you have to tap this symbol to add an extra dry or only dry and wash and dry. So here you can see the temperature it's gonna use, the rice is gonna use, the reps per minute that it has. So there's the idea. So to use it, you open, you put your clothes inside, close it, and just pull this side. So here you put the laundry detergent, fill it, close it, and power it on by holding this button. And there you go, it's gonna start working. When it's done, it's gonna sound an alarm. You pull this out once again, take off your clothes and close it. And that's all.